Hi guys, Steve up at the property, and this week we're doing peach tree maintenance. Now, peach trees are already all the way up at the front of the property, and I got 3 of them. I got them surrounded by deer fencing, but it's also an area that's really infested with this, forget what it is. It's an invasive species of grass, and it gets, like thigh high, and it gets thick. And inside the peach tree deer fence, it's a circle, about 10 feet in diameter. I filled it up with mulch. And last time I had to go to the store to get mulch. But this time, I have a mountain of mulch. When they built the, cleared this area here for the house to be built, the big trees, they left in logs, which is, can't see behind the backhoe. I already cut a bunch up into rounds. So they left a lot of logs. But the smaller stuff went right into the chipper. And I got a big old pile here, and now it actually works out to my benefit that they didn't take it away yet. Because I'm just going to fill up that 10-foot diameter area where the peach trees are with the wood chips, and also on the outside by a few feet. Because that invasive grass, also there's like little tiny vines, and it goes all up into the deer fencing. I don't want anything impeding the growth of my peach trees. I have plenty of mulch, so I figured I come down here with the backhoe, fill up the bucket, go down there. If I had to guess, maybe 2 trips with the backhoe and I'll have enough. I'll try to dump it as much as I can around the area, but I'm going to be doing a lot of hoeing and shoveling. But I think it shouldn't be too bad. I got 3 trees to do. Let's fill up the backhoe. I'm probably going to have to shovel. I'm going to make sure that bucket is full. So let's get to work. Also, we got to do some pruning of the peach trees. I've watched a bunch of videos. I think I have a basic idea. I just planted these things last year. They've never been pruned. I'm probably going to do less pruning than is the experts would say is needed to be done, but I don't want to kill off these trees. So let's get to work. I'm not a good machine operator, but I got it about half full. I'll shovel the rest. Pretty much full. I know I'm probably going to need 2 bucketfuls, but once I dump this out, we'll see where we stand. But I didn't want to fill it over the top so it would spill out all over the place. So let's go down to the peach trees. Okay. Now, anything dead, like this doesn't look too good, when I remove. Okay, I think anything that was dead or sickly looking, I got. Maybe you found other stuff that I missed. Now, fortunately, some of the strongest looking ones are the ones you're supposed to make the tree like a bowl so it could be the stuff that grows straight up. He says get rid of. Well, all of them say get rid of. I hate doing it, but that's what he says. The deer will love that. So I'm gonna leave this one like this for now. I'll probably show it to some people and ask them what they think I should do, if I should cut more. But for right now, I think this is good. I'll make sure this isn't being strangled. No, it's not. All right. All right, let's put some, we'll do one tree at a time. We'll shovel in some wood chips. All right, that's peach tree number 1 taken care of. I used like 80% of this bucket, so I put a lot down. It's thick. I went maybe a foot around the perimeter of the fence. I'll show some videos of how bad this grass can get. But I think this will be good. It's much better protected than it was last year, and the peach trees thrived last year. So I think we're in good shape. Let's, we'll start on the second one, but we're gonna have to go back and get a bunch more mulch. Okay, let's trim peach tree number 2. We gotta clear out the inner bowl. I think of the 3 trees, this one is the best, the healthiest, the biggest, strongest. Wasn't sure about this one. The one thing that I learned from watching the peach tree pruning videos is that you're probably not pruning enough. So I would imagine they may want this one to go, yeah, you know what? We got a nice bowl going now. Okay, let's get some mulch in here after I take a break. So I was just a little bit up the way up the trail with the backhoe, heading back to get more wood chips, and I realized I forgot to shovel. I was like, I'm just gonna have to do a really good job of scooping. And I've told you guys before, I am not a good machine operator, but you know, practice makes perfect, and I pretty much filled up this entire bucket. I actually was overfilled, and I spilled some on the trail pack there when I hit a bump. So, got a full bucket here. This should be able to fill out this tree and a good part of the third one. All right, I guess I'm not gonna let you suffer through watching me shovel, but this is the before. I'll show you the before, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. That's the before. Peach tree number 2, finished. Okay. Well, this peach tree's kind of leaning in one direction. Huh. Well, I don't think we need this support anymore. This tree is the one tree that bore a lot of fruit last year. Now the other 2 probably bore fruit, but the squirrels got to them first. And then it got this one last. And it broke these branches. While it was stealing the fruit. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I don't know if, I don't think it's leaning, because just a lot growing over here, not on the other side. I know we have to cut out the middle. And anything that's growing straight up. That looks good. This is definitely the smallest of the three. But like I said, last year it bore fruit, and all three trees are now another year older, so hopefully we'll get a nice bumper crop this year. And a future episode, we're going to have to talk about fighting off the squirrels. So I'm going to have to get squirrel fencing to go on top of the deer fencing, and then probably do a net across over the top. It's going to be some battle, because I like peaches and I don't want the squirrels eating them. Everything else looks good. Let's get some mulch in here. Peach tree number 3 finished. All right, guys, the peach trees are ready for their growing season. Pruned, kind of good. Mulched with plenty of mulch. Every year is a learning experience. This year I went on the outside as well. If the grass gets really bad, next year I'll go even further out. I've got plenty of wood chips, so that shouldn't be a problem. I think we're gonna have some success this year. We're gonna have to follow up with the squirrel fencing so the squirrels can't steal the fruit, and some netting for the top so the squirrels can't climb up the squirrel fencing and get in that way. So that'll be the subject of another video. Peach tree number 1 flourishing. Peach tree number 2 really growing. And peach tree number 3 really looking the healthiest out of the bunch, I think. Guys, thanks for tagging along with me this week. I'll catch you next time.